Sophia's skin is young, so we want it to stay healthy and create really good habits for when Sophia is older and your skin needs a lot more time and a lot more attention to keep it looking good naturally. So cleansing the skin, one thing for Sophia is the fact of getting home at late hours, and wipes are a good, quick, easy choice, but they're actually very bad for the environment and bad for the skin as well. So you can simply take your cotton pad, put your product on it, which is going to take you the same amount of time. So you keep your product thick on top of the pad, and then you need to have your oil component first for the skin. So we'll just take off one half of the face here just by using the cotton tip and the oil, because that's the first section to cleanse the skin. So we'll just take another one, or you could do this with the tissue if you wanted. You can see eye makeup's gone. And then just to make sure the skin has been properly cleansed, because your skin needs oil and water to be cleaned. So you just wet your pad, trace over the skin, and that's a much more environmentally better choice, and your skin's going to be more hydrated, more moisture, and it takes the same time period to cleanse the face. So you can see with Sophia's face, nice and easy, and it's left the skin hydrated. It hasn't left the skin dry. Do you find if you use the wipe, they really strip the skin out? So that's just as quick, but much better for the skin.